So when the variants came out, I was like, there's so many of them. There's no point drawing all of them. But I drew Viltrumite, the Viltrumite evil variant. And I thought I'd try it. I looked up all the names of these guys. This is Gogglesvincible. Goggleinvincible. So it's just because he's got goggles. So let's try this. Pretty much the key art that the Invincible, the studio that makes Invincible, but the one that they released. So he's just kind of three-quarter pose looking over to the right. So we'll start with the little V in the middle of his goggles. And it's a double because it goes behind his nose. And then this side goes up. This one kind of goes more vertical than the other side because it goes around the back of his head. Right, and this one's kind of wider, so it goes more this way. So they're both different shapes. So then he's kind of got a frown here. And then his nose just comes out. Then a nostril. And then a fairly simple mouth. And then the chin. That is one thing, the difference in simplicity of character design between the comic and the show. His jaw goes this way. And then his cheek curves in and out around his eye there. And then his jaw goes up to his ear, right there. And then the ear just kind of sticks out here. You can add some ear lines inside. And then you just get his forehead in. And then his hairline. So it just goes kind of zigzag a couple of times. And then it goes around this way. Now it kind of stops here because he's got like extra mask, basically. So he's got like yellow sort of wings on his head. It's just this. So there, there. And then hair, basically normal mark hair. That, there's another little texture hair spike there. And then his neck just comes down the back, front of it here. Adam's apple, neck muscle. And then his trapezius goes this way. Very simple character design. I forgot actually, his ear is closed off here. And shoulder, off and down. Shoulder on this side, down that way. So the center line for his chest is just like under his chin. So see this shoulder, for chest to shoulder, it's about twice the size of this. So this one's twice the size of this one. So this fits in twice here. It's just because he's three-quarter pose. We can see his shoulder muscle. And then the other side of his chest here. And the bottom part. And then his top of his collarbones and pectorals, just there. And then we got to draw the lines of his costume. So we have around one just coming around here. Down that way. And I think there's something black on his shoulder. I think this is just his bicep there. And that's it. Gogglesvincible. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. That was very quick. I'm just looking at the time. Wow. Okay. I guess when you're not drawing eyes and stuff, it's pretty easy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching.